Okay, so hello. This is my Let me adjust my my camera first. Okay, this is my first game of Life is Strange True Color. Let's go. Let's go. What is the first of before this? It says
Gabe said to meet him at the bridge. I can't wait to see him.
so I believe we should go to the bridge and then I don't know what is some person. Okay. Hello. No. And can you just make sure to like and subscribe? Thank you. Okay. So I want to talk the life school. Why you keep staring at them, man? Oh my god. So boring. This is so bored.
Alex!
So her name is Alex.
Holy shit. That's really him.
Oh, what's the protocol for reuniting with your long-lost sister after 8 years?
Hugh back. Hook, okay, Hook.
I'm cool with the hug if you are. Oh, is crushing my ribs still part of the protocol?
It's just so good to see you again. I can't believe you're here.
Believe it.
She's all grown up. And I missed it.
I'm a lot taller, huh?
Yeah. Time will do that to you. Are you ready to see the town?
Let's go.
Hell yeah, let's rock and roll. I don't know why I said that.
Me neither. But I love the enthusiasm. Okay, the Black Lantern is just up the street. I mentioned I live above a bar, right?
Even better.
How was the trip? You must be wiped.
I'm good. The drive through the mountains was amazing.
Eleanor, hey, Alex just got here. Alex, meet Eleanor Lath, owner of the flower shop, and honest to God, royalty of Haven Springs.
Oh, it is so nice to finally meet you. Welcome. Oh,
There's like 3 of them right there.
we are so glad to have you, Alex. Gabe told us all about you.
I'm glad to be here. She seems nice.
Yeah, she's great. A little quick on the draw with hugs, though.
Yeah, no shit.
Welcome to Haven.
Okay. Heaven. Whatever. Can I just move, you know? This is like the movie things.
It's nice.
Come on.
Is this the first official stop on the tour?
Absolutely. If you follow me inside, you'll find our prize exhibit. Gabe Chen buys makeup flowers for her angry girlfriend.
Oh, I can't wait.
It's gotten so-so reviews.
This guy is Alex's boyfriend.
Hey, Gabe.
Riley, meet my sister Alex.
Oh,
What's your greatest weakness?
What?
It's for a college interview. We've been debating this one for days.
Gabe insists that I give an honest answer.
It's always better to give an honest answer.
And what's the alternative? Lying?
Not lying, more like strategic half-truthing. Like, I work too hard or I save too many puppies.
They could smell that bullshit a mile away. I've been trying to warn her.
Oh, yeah? What would you do?
I would be honest. It's usually harder, but then you come off as more authentic.
Called it.
Wow. You two are already wonder twinning your way through town.
Seems that way.
Alex, help me out real quick. What do I get for Charlotte? Sunflowers are her favorite, but I read online that Lily of the Valley is great for saying sorry. What do you think?
sunflowers or Lily of the Valley? I think you guys would choose sunflowers, yeah?
If Charlotte loves sunflowers, go with the sunflowers.
That's what I was thinking.
You know, if Mac brought me flowers half as often, well, he wouldn't be Mac.
Is it still on and off with you two?
Sort of. More on right now, but wait 5 minutes and ask again.
Put this on my tab?
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't want to just tell Mac about the interview?
No, not yet. I'll handle it.
Okay, your call. We can leave when you're ready.
Sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's go.
Might as well have a look around before we leave.
Oh my god, why? Because it's life of strange stupid. Let's go employees. Let's just robbing, you know. Stealing some money. Look, no. business. Other thing, not my business. Let's go leave, baby. Let's go leave.
Ready?
That's not my business. Let's just leave.
Thanks. See you soon, Rye.
Let's just finish this game quickly. Yeah? Can I go back and suddenly like
After last week, fine. Don't sweat it. I've had about 10 times worse.
Well, that doesn't make me feel better.
Hey, you're not the one with the busted rotator cuff.
That's true. Sorry.
Hey, mommy. I don't know. I think. Ooh.
Does everyone in this town hug at first sight? Does everyone in this town hug at first sight?
Like, can I run, bro? Oh, bless you. Oh my god, I just skipped.
You ready for the big bang tonight? Was I supposed to prepare something?
Okay, we back. Let's go.
How long have you and Charlotte been dating?
About 3 years now, I think.
You must spend a lot of money on bouquets.
She's worth it.
Yeah, did someone just like
Watch your
laugh?
feet now. It's getting windy. My feet are fine.
Who's running still?
Well, here we are.
Can I read this?
Wow. Good to know.
What is this? I don't know, guys. My first language is not English, so I'm sorry. My English is bad.
What did you think of the show?
I loved it.
Local beekeeper breaks state record for total number of bees.
Useless. Let's go. What
Stop
is
the
this?
presses.
Hey, don't hate. How many bees do you have?
Last time I checked, like 0 bees.
Where are you supposed to do? Look,
I bet Gabe keeps the flower shop in business all by himself. Gabe Chen, flower delivery man.
I know, right? Let me duck in here and smooth everything out. It'll only be a minute. I'll introduce you properly later. Once,
It's no problem, really.
It's gonna be longer than a minute. Trust me.
Oh, hi there.
Gabe's your brother, right? I'm Ethan. Charlotte's my mom.
Hi, Ethan. I'm Alex. What you reading?
Ninth Warden.
Oh, has she found the Scepter of Serenity yet?
She's looking for the scepter, but I think she'll need the Bangle of Vanishing to get to it.
oh, finishing my kind of power. I go for the fire.
I wanted to turn invisible so bad when I was a kid. Still do sometimes, to be honest.
You can get away with anything if you're invisible. And no one can stop you. If you like comics, I can show you the one I'm making.
I'd love to see it.
This boy makes books.
You can keep it if you want. I made a bunch of copies to sell in the record store.
This is awesome, Ethan. I can't wait to read it. Are you going camping?
You know the mines?
I know they exist.
There are a bunch of old tunnels all around the mountains. I think I found a way into one.
I mean, I'm not an expert on old mines, but that would scare the crap out of me.
I just like to explore sometimes. It's no big deal. Oh man, I shouldn't have told you that.
I know we just met, but be careful out there, okay?
You don't need to worry. Really.
Like, this is just
I think I'll check out that record store.
a story.
Nice meeting you, Ethan.
I think maybe you guys bored. I don't know what else I should play. Maybe you guys can suggest me. And like, actually.
Oh, wow.
Music shop?
This place reminds me of the shop Gabe and I used to go to. He'd save up for weeks from his shitty car wash job just to buy us something to listen to. It's crazy. Here I am, years later, still waiting for my big brother in the record store. Except this time, I'm buying the record.
Ooh, so I buy something.
No way.
Ta-da! Oh my god. She's so pretty.
Oh,
Citizens of Haven Springs, that was the Wednesday with Bomb Squad. Up next, a very special request from some chick.
Some chicks? Wait guys, let me let me open Google Translate first. Some chicks. What? She just called me a chicken. I don't know. Maybe she have a bad attitude, guys. I don't know.
Sorry, the store's actually closed right now. Which is confusing because it's obviously open. Wait. Are you Alex?
that's me.
Wow. Gabe's been talking about you coming since forever. I'm Ryan.
Hi, Ryan. Nice to meet you.
So, all the way from Portland, huh? What do you think of Haven?
Considering I've been here for like a minute, I'd say I'm undecided.
Fair enough. I guess undecided is better than running away screaming.
So the store is closed, but they opened it just for you? You must be picking up something pretty important.
Yeah, well, you could say that.
An outdoorsman.
An outdoorsman's guide to the calls of common birds. Wow, that's... not what I was expecting at all.
It's a pretty obscure record. The National Park Service gave it 5 stars.
So, you're a...
Colorado State Park Ranger.
It's all coming into focus. Well, bummer the store's closed. I was thinking of getting a gift for Gabe, but I'll figure something else out. I don't even know if he still listens to records.
He does. Charlotte just got him a record player for his birthday. I'm pretty sure he put something on hold.
So you don't work here?
Steph won't mind. It'll be the easiest sale she's ever made. If I could just find the hold list. Damn. I know I saw it before. Want to help me look?
No.
Oh, yeah. Any ideas on where to start?
No idea. Steph leaves stuff all over the place.
Okay, so we can move faster right now. Like, can I get...
You're not the boss of me, poster.
Like, can I going outside, you know? This is hot right here. Like you and me is like this is kind of awkward, you know? You know, sir? Okay, let's just find her. I don't know what he's looking for.
Gabe and I used to dream about cutting demos all the time as kids. Never got there.
Like, I searched for your fucking things and you just...
I could have sworn she set it down over here. Don't get me wrong, Steph's great, but she can be kind of a mess.
Is it wrong that the note makes me want to touch it more?
Are you trying to die?
I wanted to see what would happen.
You're just lucky Steph's behind a soundproof wall.
Hey, luck or not, I've officially cheated death. Huh. Colorado digs its alt rock, I see.
Like, can I go?
I love that this town has their own radio station.
Oh, so that's what that was radio station.
I did a report on Jane Eyre once in high school. I love Valkyrie. That's one badass cat name. Wait. Is that the hold list?
Ah, okay. Move!
Don't freak out. I'm just gonna... Okay, just kidding.
I'm surprised you got out of there with both your hands.
Thing is, she's sitting on the hold list.
We could use her toy to lure her away. If we can find it.
Oh my...
Give me a hand.
Just... whatever. Like... Take it by your hand, I mean, like...
I'm detecting an indie pattern. Okay. So your color me impressed.
Okay. Whatever.
How very small town.
Listening station, listen, okay.
So, this is Haven Springs. A tiny town so deep in the mountains that car sickness...
Okay, whatever, bro. guys, I learned English from like many things, songs, video games, and movies. Like, yeah. So I'm not good. I'm not speaking English fluently, but I hope you can understand what I'm saying.
Any luck finding that cat toy?
Not yet. So, what's the prediction? What do you think Gabe listens to these days?
I'm guessing he's gotten pretty deep into the acoustic EDM scene.
Isn't that an oxymoron?
Isn't all great music?
Whoa. Deep. Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's see if we can find that cat toy.
Oh my god, just move in by your hand, bro. You're a fucking man.
Surprisingly not covered in stickers. A good place for toy safekeeping. You could check the register. Okay, but what if it's 3 unbroken hours of improvisational jazz flute?
That he listens to while writing scathing film reviews.
Yeah, and sipping a $50 Americano.
Alas, no toy.
Looks like a toy could live here.
What if he exclusively listens to Smash Mouth? Wait for it. Cover bands.
Ugh. I disown him. Damn.
Oh my god, junk box, I think.
Maybe in the junk box.
Ah. And we have a winner. Good guess. Be safe out there.
If I die a horrible cat-related death, tell Gabe I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
Who's the superior mammal now? All right. Good idea.
Thanks. For a guy who lives in the woods, I'm pretty good at this customer service thing.
Gabe Chan, I don't know, you guys read it, okay? Okay, thank you.
Should've known. I can see why Gabe fits in so well here.
Wait. Seriously?
Gabe and I used to listen to records together all the time. We'd forget about the world and rock out for hours.
You gotta tell me what Gabe was like as a kid. Any ammunition you can give me?
Actually, he was a pretty badass older brother. He smoked cigarettes, which at the time I thought was awesome. And he somehow managed to get his first tattoo when he was 12.
Damn. The legend only grows. All right, you're looking at 20 even.
No, no way. I can't believe you're doing this again.
Come on.
Do you have any idea how much time I've put into this?
Why it's like an hour and
You just... No, dude, I can't come over there. I'm working. It's called a job. Maybe you'd understand if you ever
I
had.
can watch the booth if you gotta get out of here.
Hey, hold on a sec. Are you serious?
You have a playlist, right? I think I can handle that.
You're a lifesaver. Oh, no bird calls though. I'll be there, 1 sec.
Like, why? Oh my god, this is
Organizing a LARP shouldn't be this hard.
getting intense.
Are you okay?
Sorry. I was just a little thrown for a moment. Thanks.
You got it.
Somehow I knew I'd find you in here.
Things went well with Charlotte?
Thanks to your help. I can't wait for you guys to meet. I think you'd be great friends. Speaking of, my two favorite people in my favorite place. What have you guys been up to?
Just looking around. This place is pretty sweet.
Every time I'm in here, it reminds me of you. I'm not surprised you like it. Anyway, I'm glad you two met. Not only is this dude my best friend, he's the best guide to Haven you could ever find.
And this dude hands me the best beers? Hey, by the way, Mac was in here earlier, and he really wants to talk to you.
He knows where to find me. Anyway, my shift starts in 20. Ready to go? Tag along?
I'll catch up. I got a radio show to host.
Ice contact things makes some like love, you know. Like I can read it. Whatever, guys.
I should check in. Do you mind?
No, yeah, of course.
What up?
Like
Up, Monster Slayer Thanor?
Hey,
1 week to the LARP. You stoked?
hell yeah.
Attaboy. No, we gotta talk road trips next. It's a long drive to Denver.
Are we driving with Steph?
We'll see. She's a GM, so she's gotta be in Denver pretty early. What are you doing tonight?
Mom says I'm supposed to stay at the Lantern until she gets off work. But I kind of want to hang out at home. Is that okay?
Do you, man? But I'm gonna check that homework later tonight, though. Better be done, capiche?
Capiche. Good to meet you.
Yeah, same. See you around. So weird seeing you do the dad thing.
Dad thing? No. No, I'm better than a dad. I'm like dad plus. We trust each other. He tells me stuff he doesn't even tell Shar.
Ethan didn't tell Gabe about going to explore the old mine. He trusted me to keep his secret. Should I? Or should I blow his cover?
oh my god. I got that, because Ethan is like a kid. He's going to the orphanage. He's not a slave. Some adventures with mom. Here we go.
I should probably tell you something.
Shoot.
Earlier, when Ethan and I were talking, he mentioned exploring some old mine.
Oh, man.
He seemed like he knew what he was doing, but I thought you'd want to know.
This fucking kid. I'm gonna tell Charlotte. Just give me a sec. Ooh, Ethan's in trouble.
Really?
We'll see. I appreciate you telling me. You did the right thing. What do you say we get you settled in?
I didn't blow the covers.
So, this is what a mining town looks like. Thought there'd be more guys in overalls running around.
With soot all over their faces?
Exactly. What do they mine here, though?
Used to be silver back in the day.
And now?
Uranium. They blow these big holes in the mountains and sell it off to nuclear power plants.
Whoa.
Yeah. We'll actually be able to hear a blast later tonight. It's pretty intense.
Sounds like it.
Look who it is. Jed. Hey, got someone I want you to meet. Alex, this is my buddy Jed.
Buddy hell, will you listen to this horse shit? His boss, he means.
You own the Black Lantern.
For the last 12 years or so. It's good to meet you, Alex. Heard a hell of a lot about you.
Oh?
Only bad stuff. Mostly lies.
Your brother's full of shit. You know that? He just about wet himself waiting for you to get here.
I was excited to see him too. Guess we're an almost wet yourself kind of family.
Ha! I like her.
Yeah, she's okay, I guess. We're heading in. You coming?
In a minute. Supposed to meet Eleanor to talk Spring Festival decorations. He tell you about the festival yet?
Not in detail.
I'll fill you in later. You do not want to get this guy started.
I'm loquacious, goddammit. It's charming. Oh, before you leave, word of warning. Max got that old bug up his ass again.
So I've heard.
Yeah, so just, eyes open. Anyway, you guys go settle. Alex, pleasure.
I'll mind Jed. So, Spring Festival equals Mountain Prom.
It's a lot cooler than it sounds.
Not possible. I'm picturing some straight up Wicker Man shit.
Oh, you've been before.
Shit, man. This is all yours?
Don't sound so surprised.
When you said that you had a nice place, I was picturing small but homey.
Well then, welcome to my crib.
Welcome to my crib. What is that? Oh, it's me.
Seriously, this is great.
And the best part is, it's actually yours. I'm mostly staying at Charlotte's now.
Wow.
What exactly do you mean, this is mine?
Yeah.
It's this thing where people have places they live. We call them homes. I mean it. I want you to have a fresh start here.
Like she moving.
Gabe.
Here, guys. I don't know, Alex.
Thank you.
You got it. Just promise me you don't throw too many keggers that end in surprise fires. Jed will kill me if that happens again.
Sure thing. Didn't we already do the whole staring at me thing?
It's just. You look a lot like how I imagined you'd be.
Yeah?
Do I look how you expected?
Like, I don't know you before, you know?
You haven't really changed.
Really?
You still look 15.
Shut up.
I mean, obviously you're like a man, dude. But you still have the same facial expressions and stuff. You're still you.
Thanks.
Which is good, because if you weren't still you, I'd have to give your gift to someone else.
Wait, what?
Surprise.
Wait, is this. This is the album I requested.
I know, I'm good.
I was gonna get this for you.
Well, I got it for you first, so I get the credit.
Oh my god, don't listen to this song. I hope not copywriting, you guys, you know. This is a crazy first time on YouTube. Oh yeah. It's muted because it's I checked the things that mute the copyright song. So
God, I can't get over this. Feels just like old times.
Oh no. Stop that.
I can't. It's too late.
Oh yeah, go get him, bro. Oh!
Lifetime of practice. Your turn.
Yeah, that's all you.
Stop.
He's crazy.
Just give me a sec. Yeah. Hey, Mac.
New guys, man. Guys, I think the video should be ended here. I'm sorry if it's boring. I will continue in the next part too if you want. So yeah, thank you for watching.